Konnichiwa. Alright, so today, bias on the daily, let's say C2, C3, C4, today's making C5. The fact that we still have open targets, it is Wednesday, Monday of the week, Wednesday should continue. Right, everything is clean on the bias on the daily. Weekly sports expansion, alright, dropping on the 4. If today is going to make the C5 continuation from pre range, then we should respect EQ with pre range, dropping on the 4 to refine that invalidation level to the closest 4 level, ideally to the new daily can open. We have this gap, so framework would be internal to external. There's no, you can kind of tell that ES is stronger in a way. Larger gap, we actually reached below the gap on NQ, however, we have yet to fill it in completely on ES. Dropping under the YM. YM is actually strongest, but there's nothing above market price. I don't really care for it. We actually have S&P fill. So yeah, we got today making C5 continuation, Monday low of the week, target levels remain, dollar another 4 for framework for what will fall in, right? Internal to external, S&P fill with that to confirm that. And we have 16 mid position away to make continuation. 16 does support expansion, so I could possibly trade during the driver. Let's see. Part of the driver, we're tracing now. There's no swing point, C2, and then ideally, driver reversal, right? It depends on what Dunium does. If it closes with the C2 or not. Looks like we have S&T, possibly a PSP as well. Might make S&T with the slow. clearly ES is the stronger asset. PSP here, this range is smaller than ES's range, or more in a premium on ES, while NQ is near range low, and YM is obviously the strongest, but the PA is not the cleanest, so I don't care what I don't really care for it. And obviously RTY is right, but RTY could create CT away from this gap. You have SMT with this little. We actually might make well, 20 minutes till closure. Do we have news? I think we do. I think we do at 10, 8:30 and 10. See if I'll make my money back. But yeah, it really depends on if we reverse here, create a SMT, PSP, whatever. And then I'll just confirm the reversal with a 5 with the CST. Still want to see bullishness. So, but yeah, YM did. This is weird, PA, but I don't know. God, this is hard to read, but I'm trying to like read the S&P, but we're creating feather swings to this side, which is already feather swings to this side, which is just daily feather swings to this side. So everything, I mean, that right there is very clean, but this is clearly retracement part of the river. But think about it. We created the series event or the V-shaped formation away from the key for our level that within the 6 a.m. C3 reversal, and then part of the driver, and then 9 a.m. is trading on into it. So we're overextended. We're extremely bullish. It wouldn't be driver reversal. So realistically, on the hourly, I would just confirm the low of this candle, whatever, with the 5 within this USD. During the driver. As it is driver reversal. But also, if you refer to the 30-minute, we're already creating the C2. Or like prior to the driver, I guess, at 9 a.m. we're creating the C2. So it might be driver continuation. But so confirm that reversal of the 5 minutes C2. I think I'm gonna trade EOS because it's the stronger asset. create this SMD. I would like to see NQ to take this low. To revise 15 minutes before whatever. Daily narrative, right? Framework is internal to external. String switching are compared with that framework to confirm it and to confirm the expansion towards the failure SMD. C2 on Friday, Monday C3, low of the week, Tuesday C4. So today should make a continuation because there's still, we saw the target levels open or right below them. Ideally we don't consolidate, right, and retrace before going higher, but so we can definitely continue the expansion if we're going to continue and create that daily expansion channel away from this key level. And we should respect EQ, the creator range. But before, you can find the low of the day away from framework, which is pretty much what we just did, but from the low of the week away from framework. We got today fell into reach into this key level, immediately opening lower, which is clean, into the key level on the floor. London fell to reverse, so ideally 6 AM either creates C2 or it creates C3. It's creating C3. Daily sports expansion before sports expansion. Right, so if I would like pull up my model checklist. All we're doing now is turning 4 expansion channels away from this key level. So it's frozen. Yes, for profile defined and key levels drawn, yes. For sports expansion, yes. 1 of them is C2, C3 at the key level in the direction of the bias. And we also have SCSD for the work. But on the 30-minute, we might, at 9 AM, whenever. We don't. But technically 9 AM is making C4 because we got the SMT here. Alright, but it doesn't matter. Let's go for the 30-minute. 9 AM C2, driver, 9:30 should make C3, continuation rate. Model. I'm gonna wait for this is CSD, right? I'm gonna wait for that CSD within count 3. As we wait. If I even get this entry. Ideally we form this prior to 9:30. That'd be fucking beautiful. Perfect. Deeper retracement. Clearly stronger. Yes. Depends on if we form part of the driver. If we do form a part of the driver, I'll take it as an entry, as driver continuation. It's valid, I think, because we're only retracing away from these failure swings, and then we create a C2 away from a key level technically on YM. Away from this gap, where I actually have SMT fill right now. So, and then yeah, it's as simple as that. I'm trying to be lazy with it. Like, now I gotta do better. I didn't. Fuck. 11 hours. So I'm just gonna forget about the winner. The 1 hour daily 4 hour sport expansion. Now we're retracing away from these failure swings, part of the driver, and creating a swing point away from the key level has to be fill. So this would be the GxT align sequence, where we expanded right when we opened up this higher tower candle, and we are now reaccumulating for continuation. We're reaccumulating to a key level, swing point away for continuation or expansion away from the low of the higher tower candle. But the driver might open up, make a new low, so whatever if it does, just waiting for that CC. Because everything is pointing towards bullishness. Even if it's driver reversal, it really doesn't matter. It don't matter to me. As long as I get my motherfucking entry. Which may seem like I'm being FOMO. And I'll admit, yes I am. I think everything's valid, so it's all good. Everything is clean. Let me see what everybody else is thinking. if you look for short term, that literally makes no sense. Probably because the daily is overextended. You see S&P with the advanced premium discount. I don't see that. It's not logical. But based on the daily bias. For Buffalo. I think everything was bullshit. Okay, if this candle can close above here, literally right before the opening, that'd be great. Where's the shit lag? I'm sure for that. Do we close? Here, let me do. 3 fucking contracts. I'm balling like that. Down money, baby. Let's go. Hopefully this doesn't. Should be good. Should be good. Let's recreate it on the 3-minute first. And pretty much, it's like this candle creates C2. If it closes above here, it's automatically creating C2. So like that's totally perfect. I have a swing point on the 30-minute for direct continuation. And that swing point we got that V-shaped formation. I'm trying to keep everything clean and simple and logical. I mean, even on NQ with this continuation, C2 away. All these feathers from this. Plus with the daily buys and forward profile. Cool. Structure is super clean. Even on NQ. Despite the fact that it's the weakest. I'll do like 29 because I know I'm probably going to enter it in here. Maybe not. I think I might mark execute. If it even closes above that, I'll see. Ideally we do. Because if we don't do this prior to the driver, then most likely it doesn't do. If we do, then so it's technically taken here. It's kind of hard to say though. That's pretty unclean. I think I'd rather see price close above here. It's way more bulky. Adds to the odds of me not getting stopped out in the river. Oh, come on. I mean, especially with the fact that price reached this, acted like it wanted to reverse, and it's failing to reverse. But, this is clearly fully S&P. I mean, it's obvious. It's not going to. That sucks. And Q we did. Damn it. Fuck. I wanted ES though. Damn it. See, it's just way too quick, man. It's great. Well, AQ's the weakest, so I wouldn't want to trade it anyways. But of course, we create that shit on NQ. Except for string switching. If this candle closes above here, I'll take it. Happy that I didn't enter now, but I just don't like these fillers from the main queue. It's not SMT either, so. SMT, NQ. NQ is clearly showing string switching. Do I take it? Just smart. I don't want to chase it. It's already too late. But clearly we were showing more strength on NQ. This was a hard day during the day, I'm not gonna lie. String switch to catch up. Break this fully or something. It's too late. Like, maybe I should have trusted the CC. I don't know. Fucking hell, man. What's your deal with crazy. Oh, I missed the trade doing Burger. Oh well. Going to trade. If I can trade Titanium, that would be great. We'll see. Still take those. Just gonna get a little bit riskier. I wanted the CST entry itself because where my take profit is. If I even get it. I got it. We'll see what happens. an issue within Q reaches this key level, although it's, I think we should reach beyond it. It might cause some form of retracement. I think we should reach beyond it though. So, and ES is super calculation is above. So ES has already reached this high. Actually, it just did. So we should just shoot through it. And I'm kind of just, obviously 1 hour, or is 1 hour, 30 minute, and probably 1 hour work size is large. That's the only problem. I really don't care for that, but it still is an issue. But looks like we're good though. Okay, and Q reached that high. Loki want to just take off with this here. Let's take that real quick. Oh fuck. Okay, we'll just take that because I know that this day is a little bit unclean, even though we should expand through it. I just don't like the look size on the 1 hour, 30 minute. And that was still like, I don't know how it was the graph's best, but just to get me back above, that should have closed me out at 900, bro. What the fuck? Whatever. It's all good. Watch it reach my take, probably. I know it probably will. Whatever. It's all good. But what was that? That was like more of a, that was a horrible takeoff though, I'm not gonna lie. 1.3, oh my god, that's a, okay. If it was right here, then fucking hell, whatever. Particularly made a 2 hour, whatever, it's all good. Better than nothing. Let me go back over this real quick. I feel like I should try targeting titanium as well. Just I know that today is a little bit lower probability because of the fact that we are making C5. But that's not cool. And we could easily leave this high open for NFP to reach on Friday, but we'll see. I wouldn't be surprised if Wednesday consolidates after taking this high. Thursday retraces, and Friday continues the expansion. Because I'm Monday of the week and we're kind of extremely bullish, but anyways, at least I took something out of the market. I mean, obviously it's a late demo, but I don't know. I'm not sure if that was the right call. I feel like I probably should have been more patient, but like I said though, I didn't like that. I didn't like the we have a 2-stage PSP during the driver. That's clean. I didn't like the look size. I don't know. Maybe that's just me overthinking it. Whatever. Do you reach it? Crazy. Yeah, I really did fear that. That was bad. I think it's because I'm risking more than I usually do, even though it's only demo. It still has an impact. But yeah, I'm gonna go. Alright, then let me go over this real quick for the video. For the stream, and then yeah, it's gonna definitely reach it. I can already tell. Getting it. Whatever. Alright, so on the daily. You can probably just log this right now. external S&P pair with the framework, a bunch of string switching to indicate price will expand to break this S&T. Friday C2 away from this key level, Monday C3, Tuesday C4, today should make C5 continuation as we have Monday of the week and we still have open targets. Dropping it forward. We got, let me actually just log it while I do this. It's gonna take a little bit longer. So this is a very good data to learn from. Overview, close up. I should just do this. You guys are seeing how I log my shit on Canva, how I journal my trades. Very quick with it because I've done it a million fucking times. This was a PSP as well. Here. Doesn't really care about working it out. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Do is grab a circle, transparency 10, 15, make it smaller, or maybe bigger, and then maybe do 20. And just do that. Right. So overview. Usually just do this, copy, paste, lock, and then make this down a little bit. Wait, I'll grab these, center them out. And I grab this, 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 that. I don't know if I want to change that up, but it's good enough for me. I usually do 10 bold intro. I've seen people with clean ass intros not liking, but I want to be unique, so I good. I guess I'm copying the rim with this, but everyone puts this shit at the bottom. I do at the top, bitch. I guess everyone does this too. Everyone does this. And so we have the overview. And yeah, so yeah, everything looks pretty clean. Dropping down to the foyer now. So dropping down to the foyer. So today's gonna be C5. Then Bryce should expect EQ the pre-day range. But I want to see Bryce stay in respect of the upper half of this range, so we're finding the invalidation will go down to the closest foyer level to the daily can open. In the upper half of the pre-day range, ideally. Should be this gap. Ideally, we form the low day off of that. The foyer profile. So the framework on the foyer is internal to external. The foyer profile away from that key level is 6-day manipulation, C2 or C3 reversal. So the daily and foyer are both supported expansion away from the key level. That'll show pretty range. Right, so today opened up, immediately opened lower and not higher, which was great. Daily candle formation is force a bullish candle, and the wick size force a bullish expansion. But we retraced into the key level on the foyer, and then we seen 2 AM failed to reverse, so either 6 AM has to create the C2 reversal, which actually, look at this, this is actually super clean, bro, oh my god. On the foyer, daring the driver, actually no, we broke that, okay, well, technically still, we technically broke this SMT, but we created SMT here, SMT fill at the time, with YM, and now we're creating 2-stage SMT, daring the driver. Was on the 2-stage PCB. But which frame's the lower? No, right. So framework internal to external. For profile away from that would be 6-day manipulation. Expansion channel, which is what I traded. So So all we're doing is simply trading A4 expansion candle away from internal range liquidity or this key level to reach towards the target levels. Usually do this. So daily buy, C5 continuation for our profile would be internal electoral, 60-minute position continuation. Structure, turn the driver. So, yeah. Name is open within the GxT continuation sequence build. Obviously you don't want to confirm, wait for continuation tree after 9:30 to wait for the next level. Goes. I'm sure there's news at 10 a.m. But so the structure part of the driver resolution you have had. We did see 9 a.m. create that C2 away from a key level, pretty much. Between this, the Arabic CSD away from this key for level that we're going to load off of, or the key for level itself, because there's no gap here. There is one on YM, so. But technically we put in the reversal part of the driver, so driver continuation, but the driver decided to make a new low, which really doesn't matter to me because we didn't have the CSD at the time. Pretty sure I know this. Yeah, but we created the PSP at 9 AM, and then 9:30 created that new lower low, creating SMP, creating that second stage PSP. C2 candle, not over something expansion candle. But it was the fact that 9:30 opened up, took this low out, created that second stage PSP, and then reversed away from it, creating that V-shaped formation on the 5 3 minute, creating that CSD, indicating that we're falling to manipulate this SMT force, as it was already known to be a failure SMT because of the fact that we had failure SMT on the daily. This SMT was going against the daily bias, so it really made no sense. And then, yeah, so that was good. I'm sure this would be there are many things we can talk about. TTFM, failure SMT, retracement away from failure swings, all that. I fear that there might not be a cleaner day going into Thursday and Friday after Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday did. But that I may not see a new clean day. The bias might not be as clean, but no use putting that 30 on anyways. So dropping down to the 3 minute. It's crazy I would have reached my 2 hour. But see how risky that was? So it was just best to just take off where I did. It's all good. Should try my stop a little tighter. So the driver opened up, took the pre 30-minute count low, and then reversed, creating that second stage PSP sequence. Creating that V-shape formation away from that on the 5-3-minute, creating that CSD to protect the low of the 9:30 AM 30-minute candle. And then assuming that's the GxT line sequence, whatever, assuming that we're going to create the expansion away to reach the target level. Driver reversal, right, confirmed by a 5-3-minute CSD. Oh my god. Alright, to revise. Okay. So daily overview. Alright, we got that failure SMT, and then confirmed here, and then we created that string switching to confirm the expansion towards the failure SMT. Internal, external daily universal or framework. Friday C2, Monday C3, fucking hell. Tuesday C4. And then Wednesday C5. So Wednesday should create that daily expansion kind of away from the CQ level towards the target level. Dropping under the 4 hour, we have the framework internal, external, London, or 6 a manipulation, daily candle formations for us as well as Rakeland. Also the Tuesday SMT, you can confirm the framework. So daily and 4 hour both for expansion. Jump down to the 1 hour time. What do we do? Part of the driver from the reversal, but the driver decided to create the reversal, which is all good. It was kind of like in the moment, like it was, you know, you had to be very quick with this, but which I'm not surprised that we kind of, you know, consolidated right here and reaccumulated for the GxT line sequence. Anyways, and then dropping down to the 5-3-minute for the entry. Driver opened up, created that second stage PSP sequence, created the V-shape formation, confirming the low of the 9:30 AM candle with a 5-3-minute CSD, or confirming the driver reversal with that. Took that entry, boom, price shot higher, reached my 2 hour.